Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at nursery niece in Dandenong again. So he's not here, so today he here for pick up some of tree. It's the Tahiti guys, because my tree was dead at home, the one I bought, been 3 years old guy. So today I will get one of these to replace that one. And my 3 years nothing grow the same size, so I half finger cross. This one I take it will be helping. It will be growing well. Yeah, in his nursery he got a lot of mango tree guys. I'm not sure all this stuff, but yeah, it's very big. He doing a greenhouse as well. It's like a net, so protect from the frost a little bit. He got so many tree guys. So he got fig, he got plum, he got cherry, apple. Amazing. There's a fig tree, and I think here is the apple tree color, green smith. Yeah, so many guys. You very one interesting. Yeah, so he in Dandenong. He got in a marketplace as well. Apple, pink lady. I have two, but this year not much fruit. There's another pink lady here. Beautiful. Oh, this one has some fruit in it, guys. Look at this. Nice. What is that? Look, check. Oh, flower fruit. Crab apple, guys. I never heard about this. So interesting. There's a fruit. Beautiful. Well guys, you very want something, it's very good, so I bought them from Nick today. He got 20% off too for the Good Friday. So beautiful, and he have many to go. So very big tree guys. If you interesting, come and have a look, check, see what you want. I'm sure you guys will be grab something before you leave here. There's so many trees. They got a mango tree as well, and they got a flower as well. And here, I love this one. It's beautiful. But my partner doesn't like that. He love all only fruit tree. Beautiful. They got olive oil, olive tree. I mean, nice. He's not here, so can't interview with him again. So this is the update, guy. So you very want buy something, guys. So niece in Dandenong, he's very good, and he got some Bailey as well. It's $10. Beautiful, nice. Most of them is flower. Got tree, curry tree. So this is curry leaf. Here we go. I got one at home, very big. He got mulberry as well. Lina mulberry. Got a fruit already. Here we go. There's a nice one here. Beautiful. So he got a lot, and he have some mayonnaise to go. And he got a what we call this one, pepper belly. I have one with that. About winter coming, I don't want to ruin the tree again. We got many to go, guys. So many. If you very interesting, please come and have a look. Too many trees, I can't explain everything because somewhere it's very hard for me to spell in English. They have a Christmas tree. Oh, sorry, this must be pine tree. Mango tree, a lot of mango tree. Beautiful. This time you have so many trees, guys, full. It's everywhere. And here also got some flower. It's very nice. And what's the golden? Oh, okay. Yep. Sour soap. Oh, so you have got jujube, guys. So here it is. Jujube with the fruit. Nice. I'm not sure what varieties. I hope no symbol. You're right. Have a lot of jujube and
Red is
oh here that's a
green.
jujube color here.
Yeah.
There's a green one. Yep. Oh nice.
No, red's
Yeah, there's a red one.
Shang-Chi.
Shang-Chi. Oh, that's a joy. Real life Fruitopia. He have that Shang-Chi. He got from I think Daily, but need he have also a very one. It's a lot jujube guys. And have more here. He got very rare tree in Melbourne. It's sour soap. So there's a price. This must be seedling. What variety is that? This sour soap. Doesn't say that.
Yeah, 25.
Yeah, it doesn't say what variety, what it is.
Seed.
Just say seedling, yeah. And the castle apple, Pax and prolific is very tall, guys. Very amazing, grow in Melbourne. Here we go, beautiful. They have like 4, 5 trees, 6 trees in it, and some guava. Joby the Gaba. Oh, this is Joby the Gaba. George's favorite, George. That's your favorite. He have, I think he have a very big tree, around 10 years old tree, and with fruit, and now he bought few more in a little pot. Yeah, so beautiful. $25 each. Joby the Gaba. Yeah, nice, interesting. There's a yellow cherry guava. I have a lot at home, that one. And there's apple. I think it's a mango, is it? Is it fruit we can eat or not? It's like a mango. Yeah. Cool. We have a custard apple, Pax and prolific. That's our favorite. Looks so healthy and bigly. They tall like 1.5 to 2 meter tall, guys, in height. The fruit is very sweet and very good. They grow very well in Melbourne. That's my experience. And yeah, sour soap I lost all. I'm not too sure, but he have you interesting because I have too many trees, guys, so I can't protect everything. So yeah, you interesting? Sour soap, custard apple, jujube, Shang-Chi, chicory, little blue, and honey jar green. So here he have everything here, guys. $130 each. They ask about 30 cm in height. A lot of green. Curry leaf. Mulberry. White mulberry. Oh, interesting. Nice. I don't have one of these. I have Lena mulberry. I have this. Oh my god, it's a heavy crop. But you have to protect, guys. Otherwise, no fruit. The bird love it. Wow, this one awesome. This one very good. So interesting. And I have a pepper bell leaf. I love this one. Good for Vietnamese pancake. Very nice. Beautiful. Alright guys, that's all. Would like to show you. Have some pepper in here. Another white mulberry as well. And not only that, guys, they have a fruit already. So beautiful. Here it is. There we go. Nice. And here, beautiful. Alright guys, thanks so much, and happy Easter to everyone, guys. You're watching this video, and thanks so much for supporting, and I wish you all the best. Alright guys, bye, be safe. Right guys, so this is a tree. It's a Tahiti. Oh, I'm not very good at call. That's a hard to call. Tahitian lime. So because we can replace this guy, see this guy look like that. So the same lime. So what happened? My partner will pull it out and put them in the pot. See how it go. Okay. He think that's still alive. So let's see how it going. Anyway, my partner and I today we went to Nice at Dandenong. We grabbed one of the tree. It's very healthy and stunning, guys. It's about 1.2 or 1.3 tall. Hopefully this guy gave me a flower soon. Hopefully this guy grow fast. That's the main thing I wanted. I want to grow faster. Tree looks very healthy and stunning, right? So hopefully. And they get some this. You see the leaf curl. So what I do, ping it out. And that normally soil we use. We always use my whole garden and my front yard, my backyard. We always use the same thing, guys. We use a premium potting mix. Then after that, we use a rooster booster. Normally we do after one we transfer, but today my partner he top it up a little bit around, not close to the trunk. It's just a side around here. Alright guys, so we will show you when we done transfer them into the ground. So exciting today. So I think so many root, a lot of root. So hopefully this guy doing very well, better than this guy. Alright guys, so the trees already done into the ground, looks beautiful, and we give them a more as well, and a little bit on the top of rooster booster, and sooner we give them a seaweed. That's all where we do. Like that's the one we use it, guys. Let's see we use like the usual. Okay, and that looks stunning, right? Okay, so these are all the one. My partner will give them a prune to see how it goes. Yeah, thanks. Hopefully, hopefully it's coming back to life. Beautiful. So here we go. That's it. Look much neater. It's still green, right? It's still very green. So see how we go. But just this one is a yellow a little bit. You're looking, checking the stem, and this one is super dark green. See how it's different, healthy and unhealthy. Very, very different. That's a very dark green, right? And look at this. It's super yellow, but inside still very, very alive. So we'll see how it goes, guys. Hopefully that guys. We will see, okay? But I have no hope in that. But never mind. We just don't want to chuck them away. So here is my pretty lime tree. Hopefully one day we get a fruit, but we really want them to grow first. So we got them from Nice marketplace in Dandenong. And yeah, but the price for $45, but he do discount 20% off for the Good Friday. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and thank you so much for always supporting, and I would like to see you in my next video, guys. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe if you haven't. Bye guys.